let's start with the next individual vitamin, that is vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is also called as niacin. Niacin or nicotinic acid is also known as pellagra preventive factor, PP. These are the dietary sources. These food are rich in vitamin B3 niacin like broccoli, peanuts, chicken, mushroom, bell peppers, kidney beans. These are rich in vitamin B3. Nicotinic acid and nicotinamide, these are the two vitamins of vitamin B3. In last lecture only we saw what do you mean by vitamins, which are having similar chemical nature and vitamin activity. Those are called as vitamins of each other. So nicotinic acid and nicotinamide, these are the vitamins of vitamin B3. There are two coenzymes of vitamin B3, that is NAD plus and NADP plus. So nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD plus and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate NADP plus, these are the two coenzymes of the vitamin B3. The function of these NAD plus and NADP plus, these are most of the oxidoreductase enzymes are dependent on these two coenzymes. NADP plus and NAD plus, these are involved in various redox reaction. They accept hydride ion and undergo reduction. NADH, which is produced after the reduction of NAD plus and NADP plus, this NADH, it enter into electron transport chain and it generate ATP. ATP generation is related to energy generation, and hence again vitamin B3, it is a energy releasing vitamin. Recommended dietary sources for vitamin B3 are, in all it is 1.2 to 1.5, but it increases as per the requirement. Vitamin B3 niacin, it works with other vitamin to help in release carbohydrate. Vitamin B3 is required for healthy nerves as well as healthy skin, and again it required for the healthy digestive system. Vitamin B3 deficiency. Here I have listed out the deficiency of vitamin B3. These are, first deficiency of vitamin B3, it is pellagra. Pellagra. Now what do you mean by pellagra? See here. This in the picture you can see red patches on the skin, irritation. These are caused in the pellagra. It is also called as rough skin. In Italian language, pellagra means rough skin or itchy skin. Then there may be nervousness, irritability, fatigue. Fatigue means थकान, headache, insomnia, म्हणजे झोप न येणे, as well as mental depression. All these are caused because of the vitamin B3 deficiency. Niacin deficiency, which is mostly related to skin, but it is also related to gastrointestinal tract as well as nervous system. The symptoms of pellagra are commonly referred as 3D. Commonly referred as 3D. That is, the disease also progress in that order. The first D is dermatitis, related to skin disease, dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia. Dementia means pagalpan, mental depression. And if these 3D like dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia, if these are not treated well, then it may result in the fourth D, and that is death. So vitamin B3 deficiency, it should be treated properly. Pellagra is mostly seen among people whose staple diet is corn and maize. In most of the country, corn or maize, it is a staple diet. Niacin, because the niacin which is present in maize is unavailable to the body as it is in the bound form, and the tryptophan, the amino acid tryptophan which is present in the maize, it cannot provide vitamin B3 properly. So if the diet is corn and maize only, then this disease may caused. Now we'll discuss another vitamin, that is vitamin B6, which is also called as pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is used to collectively represent the three compounds, namely pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. These are the vitamins of B6. These are the foods which are rich in vitamin B6, like beans, spinach, banana. It is one of the food which is in high source of vitamin B6. Then pistachio nuts, pista, sunflower seed, salmon, cooked lean pork, prunes, avocado, dried apricots, cooked lean beef, tuna, like meat. These are the main sources of pyridoxine. Coenzyme of pyridoxine are pyridoxal phosphate and pyridoxamine phosphate. The function of these vitamins are mainly involved in amine reactions or amino acids reaction. They are involved in transamination reaction. They are also involved in decarboxylation reactions of amino acid. After decarboxylation, amino acids get converted into their amines. These are also involved in racemization reactions of amino acid. L-alpha amino acid get converted into D-alpha amino acids and racemization may there. These are also involved in biosynthesis of heme, and the recommended dietary supply or allowance is 2 mg per day. These are the deficiency of vitamin B6 or pyridoxine deficiency. Its deficiency may cause depression, then dizziness, faintness, chakkar aana, nausea, vomiting और sores in mouth. मुंह में छाले हो जाना, फोड़े हो जाना, that is the deficiency of vitamin B6. Now the next or the last vitamin which we are discussing here for the B complex, it is vitamin B12. These are the natural sources of vitamin B12, fish, mushroom, mutton and chicken, clams, shrimple जो बोलते हैं, जो कि milk and dietary products and eggs. These are the deficiency of vitamin B12, that is disturbed vision, then changes to mobility, चलते नहीं आना, पैर लड़खड़ाना, glossitis, we just saw, mouth ulcer, then faint, yellow skin, jaundice skin, dizziness, chakkar aana, mood changes, high temperature, then sensation of pain and needles, that is मूंग्या येणे, and fatigue, battery discharge होना, थकवा येना. All these are the symptoms for the vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12, these are the functions of vitamin B12. It is involved in DNA synthesis. It helps in the cell formation, blood formation, as well as mucous membrane formation. It also helps in the energy metabolism, energy production, physical performance, vitality. It is related to lipid metabolism. Then it also acts as a messenger. Hormones, they take the help from vitamin B12, and vitamin B12 also acts as a neurotransmitter, and it sends message from one place to other. It is helpful in detoxification. If some toxic chemicals like cyanide, homocysteine, nitric oxide or peroxynitrites are formed in the body, they can be removed through the body with the help of vitamin B12. So it helps in the detoxification process also. Thank you.